No, Aladdin.
No. Yes, Aladdin. You know that Aladdin is one of the best movies made by Disney. You're super duper extremely grounded for 9 days for saying that. Now come with me to the police car right now.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on YEA.